And then, when you were growing up, did you feel, public attention? And were you aware of it?
Not at first. Pero I remember there was this one time in grade school na yung Civica book namin, nandun my grandparents, si Mama Gay, tsaka si Mamita. So parang ako, dun ko na-realize na kilala pala sila for them to be parang a topic in school.
They are icons, diba?
yun.
Legends, diba naman?
Legends kasi sila eh.
Of music and of acting, diba? So, that was the turning point na na-realize mo, wait, I come from a very public family.
That's when I realized siguro na madaming nanonood sa kanila.
Oh.
Yeah.
And then, in school, did you get extra attention from your classmates, from your friends who are not in the business?
No naman. Siguro yung mga teachers lang na ka-age ng parents ko, they would ask about my parents. Pero it was normal.
It was very normal.
Normal
okay.
lang.
And ganda naman ng normalcy na yun, di ba? Kasi it also makes you quite grounded.
Yes,
diba?
super. Wala namang ano.
Wala ko nakikita sa iyo na bahid ng pagka-feeling, alam mo yun.
Ay, thanks.
Thank you. That's what normalcy does. It's a beach, parang natural habitat mo lang.
Bahay na bahay.
Oo, parang you're so at home on the beach. Did you grow up by the water or lagi kang dinadala ng parents mo sa may dagat, ganun ba 'yon?
Si Mama kasi mahilig talaga mag-beach kasi si Lolo Bo, her dad, scuba dives. So, growing up, talagang lagi silang nasa Anilao or anywhere in Batangas. Tapos, there was a time when I was younger na yung dad ko nagre-race in Subic. The race track would be in Subic. So, sasamahan namin siya tapos we'd end up going to the beach.
So, habang nag-race siya, kayo naman
Nasa beach.
Nasa beach. How is your relationship naman with Monching?
Very good. He's super, lang kasi, parang happy-go-lucky, sobrang fun niya. And he feels like a friend din. So, parang it's easy to open up to him and hang out with him.
So, are you daddy's girl or mommy's little favorite child?
Patay.
Kanino ba? Kanino ba? Kasi diba usually may ganon, diba?
eh.
Saan ka mas kampi ako dito. Ganon.
Siguro depende sa topic, pero medyo daddy's girl ako. Mama kasi is more serious eh.
So mismo, more on si Monching is your daddy's girl, tapos si Lot is the disciplinarian.
Yes, siya yung mas parang...
ito.
Ayun, yes. Pag serious topic, dapat si Mama.
Alam mo, I'm sure, lang nila yun eh. Strategy lang nila yun eh.
Planado na.
Planado yan, no? Yun naman parents, no?
Yeah, maybe.
Pero, so now, Villa Quintana takes much of your time. When you are not taping, you are doing what?
I'm swimming or playing tennis or watching movies with my siblings or going out lang, just relaxing.
Going out with Elmo.
Natawa.
But you are naturally sporty.
Not really. Parang I'm just pushing myself because I want to be sporty.
For fitness.
Oo, yes. Parang growing up, di naman talaga ako like varsity or anything. Parang I just really enjoy playing.
Talaga.
Yes.
Well, in sports befits you, kaya nga, look at your frame naman.